Hi, my name is John Kim. I'm the new CEO of Volcon Inc. Today I'm going to give you a quick update about our Stag UTV production, our Grunt motorcycle production, and a quick update about the company and how we're doing. So let's talk about the Stag. So these are raw welded frames. They need to be powder coated and then they'll go on the production line. Behind me are Stag frames. They just came out of powder coat. They're going to go onto the production line and they'll be assembled into vehicles. These two vehicles behind me are two full production units. The one directly behind me is going to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, where it's going to be evaluated for military and humanitarian aid purposes. It's part of a larger order that we're going to ship to them over the coming months. Next, I'm going to talk about the Grunt. We're in full production, and I'm going to walk you around the factory. So yeah, come on this way, Frank. So we're heading into fabrication, and in fabrication, what ends up happening is raw material comes in from over there. It gets cut up and machined, set aside over here. Some of the tubing will get bent, they'll get fixtured up, and then they'll be welded into frames. We'll do the fabrication for the Grunt and the Stag in the same facility. Sorry about the noise, hope you can hear me. Let me show you what's going on. So what we've got over here are welded Grunt frames. So over on the other side, the raw metal came in and was cut to size, and then it gets fixtured up on this side, and then they weld it here. And then once it's welded, it'll go on to powder coat. Right now I can't show you because they're not powder coating, but check out how big this paint booth is. It's the size of a building. So I'm standing in the middle of an ocean of Grunt frames. They just came out of powder coat and they cooled off and then they started sub-assembly here, but they'll move on down the line and they'll be assembled into full vehicles. So these vehicles are almost fully assembled. They're just waiting for the final plastic fascias that'll get assembled onto the vehicle frame. So these are fully assembled Grunts. They'll get boxed up and shipped out. So let me give you a quick update about the company. So I was brought on board to restructure the company so that we could focus on two things: building vehicles and selling vehicles. That's it. Simple formula. In the past 3 weeks, I've restructured the organization so we could stay focused on building kick-ass vehicles and then delivering them to customers. Among some of the changes we're going to make is greater transparency and communication with you, the consumer, and also the investor. So stay tuned for updates. I'll be doing more of these posts.